Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm back with another video for you guys. I know it's been a while since I've done a hair tutorial, but I wanted to come to you today and try out some new products. And I'm gonna try out the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. And I was very excited to receive these products because I've been hearing so much about them on social media. And I wanted to give them a try for myself. And today I did this perm rod set, and I just made it into a little updo, and I really like how it turned out. I think it's a good hairstyle if you wanted to switch up your hair a little bit, or if you're rocking a perm rod set and you want to maybe put it up for date night, or if you have an old hairstyle and you want to switch it up, you could go ahead and just pin it up and have this updo. So I'll be sharing the products that I used in this video, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with an old braid out that has been in a bun for a few days, and I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair, and I'm going to use the Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote shampoo. This shampoo is strengthening and repairing, and it does not strip your hair, and it removes any impurities and product buildup and eliminates knots and tangles. And I really enjoy using this shampoo. It definitely did not strip my hair and left my hair nice and clean. Alright, so now that my hair is clean, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Anti-Breakage and Repair Mask. And this mask will protect and repair your hair. It will also deeply penetrate from the inside out. And I really enjoy using this mask. It really helped my hair, and my hair felt very soft afterwards. And here I'm just applying it throughout my hair. I am just parting it into sections just to make sure that the mask gets on every part of my hair. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. And after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out, and I'm going to start putting the perm rods in my hair. And I'm going to show you guys the products that I used. I'm going to start off, and I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to go in with the oil, and then I'm going to use a styling gel. And then I'm also going to use the split-end treatment serum on my ends. So basically I'm going to be doing somewhat of the lock method and add in the split-end serum. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in, it nourishes brittle hair from the inside out. And then I'm going to follow up with the oil, which smelled really good, and it's going to help strengthen and repair the hair shaft. And then I'm going to use the split-end treatment, and that's going to go on the ends of my hair just to help the ends because they are the oldest part of your hair. So I'm going to do that and make sure to comb the products in. And I did apply a gel, and you can use a cream or a gel if you'd like. And then I'm going to comb it with the diamond brush, and then I'm going to roll it up with the perm rod, and I'm going to continue to do this all throughout my hair. Alright, so I did finish applying all of the perm rods, and this is the next day, and I did end up sitting under the dryer for about an hour and 30 minutes, and then I let the rest of it dry. And now I'm going to simply take the perm rods down and twirl them in the opposite direction, and they should come out easily for you. Alright, so I'm finished taking them out, and as you can see, my hair is super soft and shiny, and I'm going to grab some of the hair oil and just apply that to my fingertips so that my hair can get a little extra shine to it. And then I'm going to begin separating my hair, and as you can see, I'm separating each section into about, I'll say 4 to 6 individual smaller curls, or you can do it as separate your hair as much as you like. The more that you separate, the bigger and the more volume that you'll have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair. Alright, so I'm done separating, and my hair is super soft and fluffy, and you can definitely leave your hair like this if you wanted to stop here, but I'm going to go ahead and fluff it a little bit more and just pull open a few more pieces, and then I'm going to begin creating the updo, and I'm just going to grab my hair and just pull it up in the back and grab some large bobby pins and just pin my hair into place. And I probably used about let me see, maybe about 8 bobby pins, or you can count and see how many I used, but I did use quite a few to get these up. And you can style your hair as high as you want or as low as you want and use as many bobby pins as you would like. So I'm just going to style this until I get the look that I want. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and I did fluff my hair a little bit more, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the main choice. The products are located in your local Target and other retailers, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.